Alright, let's do a tank view now. Put the camera right here. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Hopefully the phone doesn't lose. Hopefully the battery doesn't die like this quick. So how is it? 20. Yeah, okay. So here we go. Look at that. What the hell? My phone's like 8%. It's gonna die like this quick. Seriously. Right. Put the tank lid back on. So yeah. Hurry up before my phone. There we go. Let's pause view camera. So yeah, let's do it. You can notice there's a tub right here. I didn't see that. But yeah, let's pause view camera now.